Get out! Yababa siafu amonyene. Ohiani Jimmy. Sunday, about this time, we had 9 dead bodies of Obuasi in a mortuary. 9 dead bodies. What kind of foolishness and stupidity is this? Ya buying our power now. Mubue Fumuamu president. Jiminwa edu omeya bofom no.
Abusia, a week today, any say, mentemi ho asibi esori wo Obuasi a ekuwi achire no nipa nkono etimi ahwere wo ho kwa. Eno ena no pay prophetkofioduro ensede na no abeto asenuma. O kire sebi jimini ne Nkwaseasɛm sebi ekoso wo Ghana mamu ase no eye adoso obia sori a wo se ma ban na abenti no wo de mra ahye ne nsɛm. Anopay prophetkofioduro ene asɛm ekoso wo Obuasi ene wabeto to na adwen left right center ediama NDC mebuna wo sori a no wonam se wona aba na ebenti oye enema ense ne emfata. Abusia aha let's talk GH rumors. And then the first time I'll pop into our video, Mr. Opa, so be subscribe. I feel be like, na feel when if you comment, send your wide drain SEO or your comment section ho ediamay. Abusia, prophetkofioduro anopay enyasem kotwa enye.
Let this the sense of it. The moment you don't give them that thing, they are offended. Look at the foolishness of our friends, our sisters and brothers in the whether central region or western region. They are crazy. They are angry with President Mahama because President Mahama have not named a particular person. What kind of foolishness and stupidity is this? Ya buying our power now. Mubue Fumuamu president. Jiminwa edu omeya bofom no enwa na ye adwuma. I see a life. Yes, what? How we need pano? I don't want to come a party. Huh? Sunday, about this time, we had 9 dead bodies at Obuasi in a mortuary. 9 dead bodies. And I want to use the opportunity to commiserate with families, wives who have lost their husband, families who have lost their people. But I want to tell you the truth also. You know, a weapon. That one. What that a weapon? Police in Wajina Hono, Upesu Jina Hona Tutu Bono, and I saw Janina Wajina Hono, or no, so you'll be Kunu, or be Papa, Upesu, you know, and so by the time you trespass, because what by a bar, when you're 2 on the way, where did you get a pump action to step into somebody's property? Look at all these foolishness that went on in Tema, in places, government institutions. People go there and tell them, get out. Jimmy, I gain one, a teganaso. And am I?
Lucia, prophetkofioduro ewe ne nsenka yemu no. Osesi su biase. Sa niemena ekoso nyina ne se ene ade eche na NDC mebuno abewura ha sei NDC mebuno ko office we na wakopam wona eye adwuma ho ni nyina no. Esha ase free. Emra MPP for so Erene Power 2016.
And let me tell you something. Apart from that, you know, the reason why they are doing all this nonsense, because 8 years ago it happened. Yeah, 8 years ago, a man is driving here on the N1. This one young man stopped in the middle of the N1, stopped a Land Cruiser and said, get out. Get out! Yaba in Ghana. Consider Ben na wo begene. Consider Ben. Uti nyema amuya wahano. Uti bi wa America. Sepa abayin se san yeno. Obi akwajiwe. Obi ohia any Jimmy na akambom na ye juma. Ohia ni Jimmy. Onka me na jai. Pia! Siafu amonyene. Ohia ni Jimmy. Eniyeme mi no. Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 4. Yeah. What a combination. What a combination. Okay, we ask here. And I'm doing so we are mobono na wo sunso. Poor and foolish at the same time. Me who be that? What a combination. Nkwaseafoɔ. Mosusofo ni Awurade asoma me se meka sanje. Get back in line. Everybody get back in line. They decline.
Abusia, Prophet Kofi Oduro. Ena no pay finally ono so obeyi nsimfo bia no a o kire se amanfo bebre eta agene se ekamia koyesese wo preachi a na obo MPP fo nachi enti sa aban na asesa no obetima sa ayese abiem na Prophet Kofi Oduro e de anu ye aba ma sankofo ni nyina
you know can make catch us some aban sesa na afi yen hwese obetima kasa kire aban we so sa yeah. Sorry, take it over. What is your skill? What are your skills? Qualification. What is your CV? Give me your curriculum vitae. Let me check if you qualify for the job. You wouldn't have to fight for it. If you qualify, you are eligible for it. You will be employed. Yeah, if you qualify. This is one of the reasons why we are recruiting hooliganism, vandalism. We are bringing people even into uniform services who are empty-headed people because they are loyal to party. Nonsense. Yes, I ain't loyalty to anybody. God is looking for a relationship through Jesus Christ. I don't know when you're it's a foundation why I have a sense of, as I see a boomity. You're minister of communication and this Makachiro say Obi Jimmy Timidna Kukudru Shenenim and found so da or yet the Nino da Sebre or Yenana or yes da Jai Jimmy da pesa onena sorry bada Nana sorry banetio damn very damn no sweetie. No. I was here when a young lady came to speak to me. COVID. Ran to this place and said, please, I want to tell the NDC government, don't be like the MPP government and don't be like the CPP government. I'm telling you truth. Because right now, Ghanafoɔ domo, Ghanafoɔ in Chenia society. Unima could be Sir President Rollins and China Ghana for us so much. Sir, honeymoon now more enjoy no. It will last for only 1 year. So I'm back on 1 year no will tell. Yeah. To me 1 year and every day counts. Every day counts. As a simultaneous will be. Among you who can tell truth on paper free more. Adie we e chia yenkansi kwemu. Adie we emmoa yenyai. Eya wo se wo kasi obi e diska. Susudua no an ye de ba so. E di be susu. And let me now conclude by this way. Humility does not cost you much. Humility does not cost you much. Don't look at other people like they are nothing. Look at the way tribalism makes people feel they are better people than others. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Wait for. Humble! Eda wo beto much no samole be bai wo nine ba ku mu ato ha we yi ba ku ato ha no de sapo kucha. Yeah, for the last one, or my last respect. Calm down and love people, respect people, honor people. People will attend your party, your coronation, your ordination, your matriculation, your graduation, your wedding. People people will even attend your funeral when your money is in an air-conditioned bank and does not turn up.